The moon, a constant companion in our night sky, yet it never seems to look quite the same. One night it's a sliver, a crescent of light. Another night it's a brilliant disk illuminating the world below, and sometimes it seems to vanish altogether. Why does the moon's appearance change so dramatically? The answer lies in a fascinating dance of perspective, light and shadow. It's a dance that has captivated humankind for millennia, inspiring countless myths and legends. Join me as we explore the science behind the moon's changing face and discover how different cultures around the world have interpreted this celestial marvel. Have you ever noticed that the moon looks different depending on where you are in the world? It's true. Our position on Earth plays a significant role in how we perceive the moon's orientation. Imagine standing at the North Pole. You would see the moon at a certain angle in the sky. Now picture yourself traveling to the equator. The moon's position would appear to shift, tilting slightly on its axis. This change in orientation is due to the curvature of the Earth. As we move across its surface, our perspective of the moon changes in relation to the horizon. It's like looking at a tall building from different street corners. The building itself doesn't change, but our angle of view does. Similarly, the moon's apparent tilt varies with latitude. Observers closer to the equator see a more horizontally tilted moon, while those closer to the poles see a more vertically oriented moon. This difference in tilt is most noticeable during moonrise and moonset. At the equator, the moon appears to rise and set almost perpendicular to the horizon, but as you move towards the poles, the moon's path becomes more slanted. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember that your location on Earth is shaping your view of this celestial neighbor. It's a reminder of our place in the vast expanse of space. Section 5. The moon's phases, a play of light and shadow. But the moon's changing orientation is only part of the story. The most dramatic transformations in the moon's appearance are due to its phases. From the ethereal glow of the crescent moon to the full moon's brilliant light, these phases have fascinated skywatchers for centuries. What causes these mesmerizing changes? It all boils down to the interplay of sunlight and shadow on the moon's surface. Unlike the sun, the moon doesn't generate its own light. Instead, it reflects sunlight, illuminating our night sky. Section 6. From new moon to full moon, a cycle of illumination. As the moon orbits the Earth, the angle at which we see the sunlit portion of the moon changes. This creates the different phases we observe. The cycle begins with the new moon, when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the sun. During this phase, the sun's light illuminates the far side of the moon, leaving the side facing us in darkness. As the moon continues its orbit, a sliver of reflected sunlight becomes visible, marking the waxing crescent phase. This cycle continues, with the illuminated portion growing larger each night until we reach the full moon. Section 7. Cultural interpretations, myths and legends of the moon. Throughout history, the moon's ever-changing presence has sparked the imaginations of cultures worldwide. Myths, legends and folklore abound, each offering a unique interpretation of this celestial body. In ancient China, the moon was associated with yin, the feminine principle, representing darkness, passivity, and the earth. Conversely, the sun embodied yang, the masculine principle, symbolizing light, activity, and the heavens. Section 8. The moon in folklore. Stories from around the world. Native American cultures often view the moon as a grandmother figure, a wise and nurturing presence guiding us through the darkness. Many tribes have unique stories explaining the moon's phases, often involving the antics of animals or mythical beings. From the Norse goddess Mani, who steers the moon across the sky, to the Maori legend of Rona, who was banished to the moon for her disrespect, these stories reflect the profound impact the moon has had on human culture and imagination. Section 9. Conclusion. Our celestial companion. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, continues to captivate us with its ever-changing appearance. From its shifting orientation due to our earthly perspective to the mesmerizing dance of light and shadow during its phases, the moon reminds us of the wonders of our universe. As we gaze upon this celestial marvel, let us remember the rich tapestry of cultural interpretations it has inspired and appreciate the profound connection we share with this constant companion in the vast expanse of space.